Stage 1 Foundation. If you want to learn how to draw Wildstyle Graffiti, stay with me and I will give you a through the process. What's up YouTube and graffiti artists? My name is Louis Ning Chang. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be drawing the name Lucas, spelled Lucas. Before starting any Wildstyle piece, it helps to study simple letter fonts online. These basic letters become the foundation of your Wildstyle. Once you choose a font you like, your job as an artist to transform it to give it a personality and movement. Normally I will use guidelines. Today I am going to straight into the sketch. As you gain experience, guidelines become optional. But if they help you, use them. It's your drawing. I begin bending, twisting, and connecting the letters. Draw lightly at first, keeping everything flexible. For this piece, I am using color markers and pen ink for the outlines. During the tutorial, I will be talking to the process, and later I may add some music so you can just watch the flow. Stage 2 Extensions and Composition. Once I am satisfied with the basic structure, I move into stage 2. Here I begin adding extensions, arrows, and small details to the piece. Notice how I add arrows to the L and the S. This helps create the balance across the name. Look for a negative space between the letters. Instead of leaving it empty, fill it out with the controlled details. Keep the drawing tight but stay loose with your hand. Some letters will only overlap, some will connect. This is where the piece begins to feel alive. Once the structure feels complete, we move into perspective. Stage 3 3D Perspective. For the 3D block letters, I use perspective drawing to give the piece depth. Before placing my ruler down, I put another sheet of paper underneath. This gives me the more room to place a vanishing point. For this drawing, I place the vanishing point toward the lower right side of the page. From that point, I lightly draw the lines upward toward the corners of the letters. Continue drawing perspective lines to every edge that needs depth. Then I build the block letters. The thickness depends on the look you want. In this piece, we will going for a worm's eye view, like you are standing below the graffiti looking up at it. If you want to study perspective more deeply, explore 1, 2-point, and 3-point perspective techniques. Understanding them will strengthening your graffiti structure. Stage 4 Inking. Now we move into inking. Using the fine point pen, I carefully outline the letters. Inside the forms, I vary the line weight thick to thin to add energy. After that, I use a brush pen on the outer edges to create contrast and variety. It's up to you how you develop your inking style. Take your time. I use black India ink pens available at most art stores. If you want to improve your inking skills, study pen and ink techniques like cross-hatching, stippling, line weight control. Combo inking is especially useful to study. Notice how the foreground lines are thicker than the background lines. This creates depth and three-dimensional feel. You can also add texture and shadow using these techniques. Stage 5 Coloring. Now we move into color. For this piece, I use both monochromatic and complementary color schemes. A color scheme is simply a planned combination of colors. For monochromatic sections, I use different shades and tones of green from light to dark. Monochromatic means using variations of single color. I also use reds in a similar way. For complementary colors, I combine red and green. Colors opposite each other on the color wheel. This contrast creates visual impact. When blending, alcohol markers move quickly while the ink is still wet. Blend in small circular motions, usually layering lighter colors into darker ones. Always place on the extra sheet of paper underneath your drawing. Alcohol markers will bleed through. I also stippling on the letter L and the U to add texture. To finish, I use white gel pen to add highlights and an outer glow around the name. This final touch helps the piece stand out. Sometimes I go back over the certain areas again, refining, adjusting, and strengthening. Art is about observation and patience. Now watch as I continue coloring and refining the piece. I will add some music, but don't go anywhere. I have more to share before. Alright, this is the name Lucas, Lucas. Alright, so this is the piece. Tell me what you think about the piece. If you want me to draw your name in graffiti style, check out the description box below. They give you links to my Instagram, my website, my Etsy store. My Etsy store will have the graffiti pieces in it, so you can take them out. Alright, so tell me what you think. Give it a like. Make a comment if you have questions. Share the video to all your friends around the world and subscribe to my channel. My name is Louis Tong. Thanks for watching.